right, good morning, boys and girls. We're all doing fantastic today. Currently in the middle of nowhere with my good pal David over there. And we are trying to catch some early morning bass. Clearly, I've never been here before, so I don't really know what to use, what to throw. So we're just kind of guessing right now. The water's super clear though, and I'm throwing a chartreuse chatterbait. So I might need to switch that up real quick. But this place looks great. It's just a matter of getting bit. Shout out to David for letting me borrow one of his rods so I can actually fish. It's a real bro move there. All right, we have now got a jig with a little Berkley Havoc crawl of some sort on here. We're just gonna toss this around. Try not to get snagged like that. But, yeah, we'll see what happens. I mean, this place obviously has a lot of cover. It's just whether those bass are holding to the cover or not. Because this lake is pretty clear, so kind of makes me think they might not be.
There we go.
David here's got a fish on here, and actually, wow, it's a nice bass. Boat flips are on up here. Dang, dude, that's actually a quality fish right there. Nice bass. Did you catch it on that little crankbait?
Yeah.
Just a little, like, it's kind of like a translucent.
Oh, open that for me.
Yeah. That's a nice bass. Close to 3. Actually, yeah, it's definitely 3. That water's so clear.
That water's cool.
Is it? Nice. All right, we're gonna try to continue and make sure that's not the only bass of the day. So. Oh, that's loud. This lipless crankbait. Can you hear that? Yeah, I don't know, just because it's so clear, I kind of wanted something that looks more natural, like that silver. Like bass, for some reason, like kind of translucent stuff in water, which is probably why you hit that one. It is? All right. Right. Oh, I don't know, dude. It feels, yeah, it's a fish. It's fighting. Where's it go? Got it. Watch your fingers, don't get hooked. Nice. See that?
That's a nice fish there.
It's a chunky fish, dude. That's about the same size as your last one.
That's a good fish.
Here, I got him. Yeah, don't just go with the pliers. I don't want him to shake and us to freaking get hooks on our hands. That's a nice 3-pounder. I turned off the GoPro instead of turning it on. Stupid.
So you didn't get that fish catch?
I got like most of it, but not the middle part. Dude, look how he like choked that.
Yeah. That first cast with this lure?
Yeah, dude. First cast with ye old lipless. And I was doing like a little yo-yo, so I like pulled it.
Yeah.
Let it go. That's a nice bass. Nice.
Want a picture?
Yeah, take a picture so I haven't posted anything on Instagram in weeks. Yeah, so I was telling David over here, what I was doing with that fish is just a yo-yo retrieve. And then the colder weather, they seem to like that for some reason. And yeah, he smashed it. Nice fish. Get a quick pic. Sick. You can just send it to me.
Okay.
Oh yeah, it's cool with the sun on the back.
Oh, it's big.
Yeah, it does look big. All right. Yeah, it is. Oh, look at him. Yeah, I agree. So if you can just see where we're fishing right now, like it's just like in the middle of the woods. There's a road over there, but other than that, it's just like in the middle of nowhere. It's pretty cool. But yeah, this is what I caught that on. Do you have any idea what brand this is? Yeah, it's just, I mean, honestly, it looks really similar to a red eye shad. Just doesn't have a red eye, but yeah, choked it. Dude, like, it just felt like dead weight at first. Like, that's why I was like, I didn't even know. Like, I was like, I have no idea. Yeah, he was pulling drag too. Yeah, I know, that's why I was kind of worried. I was like, oh God. What? Yeah. I appreciate you getting it. It got caught on that and just gave me a massive backlash. Actually, it's not that bad, but Jesus. Okay, also, if anybody has any idea what this thing is, just give me a comment telling me. I'm really curious. It's weird. It's got this little thing over here that moves. Yeah, and then that thing, whatever that is. And there's another one over there, so yeah. There's theories that it's a diving board. I don't necessarily agree with those theories, but they could be right. Dude. Did you hear your reel when I casted that? What? Did you hear the reel when I casted that? Like, woo! Okay. Listen to this reel. I literally casted like all the line off this pool. All right, so, oh gosh. So far we've caught 2 bass, 1 each, and they're both pretty chunky. They're both probably around 3 pounds. So not a bad trip regardless. So we're kind of starting to make, our way back to the, to our car, but on the way we're gonna stop at one more spot. It's got a lot of wood, looks pretty good, so we'll try that out. As you saw on the GoPro, I caught that bass on a little lipless crankbait, silver. So, yeah, he caught his on a little translucent looking crankbait. Pretty cool. This place is awesome. Like, it's super secluded. Probably doesn't get fished a whole lot, besides some of his friends, obviously. But, yeah, it's pretty cool. So we're gonna keep going. And I think I'll just cut to the GoPro. So, yeah. Okay, so now we kind of moved to kind of a woody, or like I was saying, that woodier patch. I'm gonna throw around this chatterbait. Because, as you can see, most likely there's a ton of grass. I really just don't want to get all caught up in it. And these kind of rip through the grass pretty well, so we're gonna give it a go. I think he's also got a chatterbait tied on, just a different color. Do a ball. Yep, there's a fish. Oh, dude, that's a nice bass. No, don't go into that. That is a nice bass. He's trying to get in like all this grass. I got it. Oh, dang. Oh, dude, that's a chunk. Here, take this. That's an okay way to start or to end the day. All right, close to the biggest one of the day right there. On a little white chatterbait. Right there, I got a little Strike King trailer on there. And he clobbered it just right out by all those sticks and brush in the shallows right there. Yeah, a nice chunky female bass. Definitely, she's a little bit pre-spawn. Yeah, pretty nice bass. We'll get a release on her. There you go. Thank you. I appreciate that. There we go. Nice. All right. I think we're gonna head out of here, and I'll catch you back at the car.
Little paddle boat. A couple other people know about this place because of Connor and Kyle. So like they showed a bunch of people, and like most of those people are not even friends with them anymore because they're big. That's just who those kids are.
Right.
That was probably one of the.
As long as we don't get robbed again.
That'd be the hope.
Yeah.
Is your car like not locked or something? The shoes always gonna power unlock.
Pretty successful. Just like hour and a half, honestly. Caught 3 bass in total. Didn't have much time to do it, and they were all chunky fish too. What did we catch them on? That crankbait, chatterbait, and then a lipless crankbait. Yeah, they smoked them, all decent bass too. Yeah, so I'm just gonna go home, go to church, do all that fun stuff. If you don't mind, leave me a comment, a like, and subscribe possibly. And as always, fish hard. Learn more. We'll see you next time.